Hey, it's Travis with FMC Overland again. And as you can tell, we got a real funky camera angle going on. And the reason for that is I'm over in my driver's seat. The camera's over in the passenger seat. And it's trying to get a good view of our new Molle Platform Solutions overhead panel. That is this sucker right here. Fantastic. So first off, I'm gonna get right in front of it and say the quality on this thing from MPS is fantastic. It mounts with 4 self-tapping screws, and it is sturdy. I mean, it's in there. It's not going anywhere. And I know a lot of people are concerned about having things overhead if it's going to be in their way. I'm in the driver's seat. I'm 6'1". None of it is above me, or it literally rides directly over your center console area, so it doesn't affect your passenger as well. But what I wanted to show you is how we utilize it. So one of the main differences that I've noticed with all the different Molle platform solutions that are out there, or Molle panels, Molle platform solutions are the only ones that I've noticed that actually put these little holes in them as well. So as you can see right there, so you can mount your Molle stuff, and you have a way to attach this kind of gear that requires a bolt hole. So worked out really well. So this is how we got ours laid out. We have our switch panel right here. We have a Midland GRMS radio here. We have a mic that comes off it. We actually have a mic holder right up here outside of camera view. This is, we actually use the mic holder from Bullet Point Solutions, which is usually what we have on our dash. We have that same system on our dash, and a lot of this was actually on our dash, clogging up some of our view. As you know, a Jeep's got a really small window, so having this overhead I'm loving it so far. We got an extra little Molle tactical bag right here, is where we actually use this to put I usually have like a flashlight or the mic for the radio sitting in this. Our IFAC at all times. I love having the IFAC right here because this is why. It's this easy. So there we go. Ready to go. So I like that a lot. And as you can tell, right off the side of it is my tourniquet. So the tourniquet's facing on my side and driver's side, so I like it. Again, super quality product. Molle Platform Solutions is located out of High Point, North Carolina. Again, fantastic product. Go check it out. I am not pitching them. I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not affiliated by them or with them. It's just a good product, and a good product is a good product. Doesn't matter. And we put some of those monkey fist grips up here, just hold random stuff. Right now I got a snack in it, so it shows the versatility that you can have with this Molle panel. I now have snacks available at all times. And if you're wondering, my snack is celery sticks. I got some celery sticks up here. I like snacking on celery sticks occasionally. So, yeah, easy snack access. Celery stick right there. You can have a little snack. Keep driving on trail. Snack and grab. Talking to radio. Switch panel. First aid kit. Done. You got all of it. So, with that, we're going to pop the top down. I'm going to show you what it looks like from the top. And then you're going to be like, I got to get one of these. Because you can carry snacks like bananas and celery sticks. Sorry about that. It's a dangerous of eating celery. You know what I mean? So stay tuned. We're going to show you the top. So there you have it. So here's the view from the top side. And this is what I was talking about, how Molle Platform Solutions, I like how they provide these holes outside of the Molle like strapping system to attach other items to. So as you can see, this is how we attached our switch pod. There's our mount for our radio, and here's the Bullet Point Mounting Solutions arm with a CB mic holder that we're using to actually hold our CB mic. So again, all stays out of the way. And there's our bag, there's our first aid kit, there's our tourniquet. So really nice setup. There's our wires and such. So there you go. So there's the front. Those 2 little screws. right here, and right here. And then there's 2 on the back end. And again, they're self-tappers, but I pre-drilled a 1/8 inch hole just so they go in nice and smooth. So not a huge modification to your vehicle if you're worried about that kind of stuff, but super solid product. It's not going to go anywhere. I like the versatility of it, and that's how we're using it, guys. That's it. That's our Overhead Molle Platform Solution, and that's how we're using it. That's all the junk we got on top of it. I know I got a face for radio and a voice for the hearing impaired, so I appreciate you all watching, and click that like, and don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you out on the trails.